Greetings to all melanated people all around the world and all followers of William Branham all around the world. And when I say melanated people, it's not that I have any prejudice against anyone based on the color of their skin or any race. It's just that based on my experience, I've been sent to bring a message to melanated people to wake up and to believe in the God within themselves. Okay? And that's why I'm reaching out to brothers and sisters in the Total Excellence Assembly in Trinidad and Tobago and in St. Vincent and the Grenadines to put their pride aside and to listen with an open mind and to put what I am saying to the test. Don't just take what I am saying, but put it to the test. And I've been asking pastors to put Psalms 4:4 to the test, put Matthew 6:6 to the test, put Job 33:14 to 16 to the test, put 2 Corinthians 13 and verses 5 to the test, put Matthew 6:6 to the test, put Songs of Solomon chapter 3 from verses 1 to 4 to the test, and prove for yourself that it is your thought that is creating your reality, and that the Creator is in man, and that you can create your reality consciously, and that man is not the creature of circumstances, but circumstances are the creatures of man. Prove your own I amness. Prove it for yourself. And that's why I'm reaching out to black followers of William Branham to take what I'm saying and put it to the test, because I'm saying to you, the message of symbology was hidden from you, and the exoteric side of the message of William Branham was fed to you so that you would believe in a God outside of yourself. But William Branham was only a symbol, and all that he was saying and doing was just basically symbols to teach you how to look within yourself and to find the Creator within yourself. But many hold on to a historical Christ, and whenever a man is being used, he have to always be speaking in parables, because the Bible is parabolic. The original Hebrew language was not a language that you explore with the breath. It was a symbolic language, a mystical language. And those who would disagree with me, you look around and you will see all these different churches. They have symbols, and the symbols are carrying a message. Even Total Excellence Assembly, they have their symbols and logo. Message Believers, all of them, they have symbols and logo. Just like how all these companies around the world, they have symbols and logo. And many do not realize the symbol and logo of many of these companies. Shell, McDonald's, you name it, Kentucky, all of these large companies. It's basically a symbol of the sun, the S-U-N. And everything that is said about the S-O-N, it pertains to the S-U-N. And the greatest mystery in this world can never be known intellectually, it must be experienced. And I'm saying to you, someday you will discover that the whole mystery is the S-U-N awakened in a S-O-N. The rising of the sun, the dawn of a new day. Then you will understand Psalms 84:11 and Malachi 4:2, and why you are told to be the light of the world and to let your light so shine. Then you will understand St. John 1:3, when he said without him there is nothing made that was made, and all things was made by him. And you will understand it to be your own human imagination. Without imagining, there isn't anything made that was made. And everything else that ever going to be made must first be imagined. That is why the Bible is not secular history. It is not literal. The Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. But black people was given an idol to worship. So whenever a message comes from any messenger, those who know the truth and don't want to discover the truth, all they have to do is interpret it to you as secular history. So when you go against St. John 1 and 3, to be your own human imagination it is speaking about, you're going against yourself. You're speaking against your own self. You're condemning your own self. And if you can't believe in your own self, how do you expect anyone to believe in you? And that is why Deuteronomy 28 tells you that these signs of blessing will follow you. If you will discover your true self, your true I amness, your true identity, your true divinity, and these courses will follow you if you fall off the idolatry. So it's simple as that. If you want to control the people, it's to get them to believe in idolatry, to believe in a God outside of themselves, and to worship a God outside of themselves, and to ignore the creative power in them. Let me give you a little example because I want to be quite simple. The very camera that I'm speaking to, it was false imagine. The Bible that you're reading in a book form, it was false imagine because book have to be false imagine. The education you get in school and all the books you reading, these books have to be false imagine. The clothes you wear have to be false imagine. The building that you're going in and saying you're calling on God and you're calling the building the house of God, it has to be false imagine. So everything that came to your own human imagination is the creation. And the power in you is the creator. The creator was before the creation, and the creator is greater than the creation. The perceiver was before the perception. And so my brother and my sisters, your human imagination was before money. Your own human imagination was before clothes. Your own human imagination was before any church building and any pastor. Your own human imagination creates everything. And the Bible says God said let there be and there was. What is a word? A word is a thought express. It is only showing you how you can create your reality consciously. And when your desire has been fulfilled, you come into rest. You no longer have the desire. You come into Sabbath. You come into the 7th day. It's all symbology, numerology, astronomy, astrology. But my brother and my sisters, because of slavery, many of our teachers, they were killed. So certain wisdom couldn't be passed on to you. But I'm passing on the wisdom on to you. And I'm telling you, all you have to do is believe in the power within you. And the scriptures are there to help you. That's why when I pray, I do not open my mouth and speak to the God outside of myself. Because I know that God is within. And that's why Psalm 4:4 admonishes you to come in with your own heart upon your bed and be still. And Matthew 6:6 tells you exactly what to do. To go into the secret place where the invisible man is. The place within you. I'm going to meditation with a desire. So that you'll be able to manifest a desire. And Songs of Solomon chapter 3 tells you good about it. How you must hold a desire and you let it go. The thing you love to manifest upon the face of this earth. So my brother, my sisters, I can go on and on and on. But if you are open-minded, you can check out more of what I'm saying on my other channel on YouTube, Black Mad Guru. And also you can check out my books on Amazon to help you to put your own human imagination to the test and prove that the Creator is in you. So this is basically my message to all the black followers of William Branham. It's time for you to wake up and stop worship idol and stop believing the white man to be your God and stop bowing down before the white man to be before the white man as your God by holding to an idol or believing in a God outside of yourself. I have nothing for you to join. I have nothing for you to become a member of. All I'm asking you to do is to look within yourself and believing in the God within you. So with that being said, I want to give you the sign of the one eye, the real supernatural eye, and it is spoken of in Matthew 6:22, where it says, if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light, and you've been admonished to be the light of the world. and to let your light so shine before men that they may behold your wisdom or your good works and glorify the power or the truth that they will have seen within you. So that means I want to say peace, love you, I'm out. Time to wake up, black people. Wake up.